that many people always feel bored to waiting for a train?
Don't worry, I will give you some tips what to do while waiting for a train. First, you can listen to music for your handphone with your headset.
Second, you can open your social media on your handphone and like Instagram, and in Instagram you can see the story of your friend, and then you make a snapgram and then you can upload your photos and so on.
Only Instagram, but you can open your YouTube so you can find your favorite music and maybe favorite movies, and maybe you can open your pet so you can not feel bored to waiting for a train.
Furthermore, you can chat with your friend and your close friend from your BBM, Line, or WhatsApp.
Third, you can eat some food or snack to waiting for a train.
And the last, you can read your favorite novel if you bring it. That's all my tip for you, and if the train arrives, don't forget to check your luggage, okay? Thank you.
I need you to know